स्टडिज एन्ड टेक्नोलोजी अन्तर्गतको एमसीक्यू सिरिजमा आजको भिडियोमा रहेर ई-कमर्स अन्तर्गतका एमसीक्यूहरुको क्वेशन नम्बर 31 देखि क्वेशन नम्बर 60 सम्म डिस्कस गर्नेछौं। अब गरौँ क्वेशन तर्फ। व्हिच ई-कमर्स एक्टिभिटी रिलेटेड टु अकाउन्टिङ। अब यिनीहरु मध्येको अकाउन्टिङ सँग रिलेटेड ई-कमर्स एक्टिभिटी कुन हो त? सीआरएम ओन्ली, ट्रेजरी एन्ड एसेट्स म्यानेजमेन्ट, च्याटबोट्स, भिडियो कल्स। अप्सन बी ट्रेजरी एन्ड एसेट्स म्यानेजमेन्ट इज राइट आन्सर। Which element of e-commerce involves social media ads? Option A, m-commerce, digital advertising, online banking, logistics. Option B, digital advertising is right answer. What does support the exchange refer to? अब exchange भनेको के हो त? Option B, internal and external online transactions. What is the primary reason people trust an online brand? Option B, consumer support is right answer. Question number 35. What is a core feature of e-commerce website? Paper catalogs, shopping cart, fax machine, postal service. यिनीहरु मध्येको e-commerce website मा हुनुपर्ने कुरा के हो त? Shopping cart. Option B is right answer. How does customers compare price online? By visiting stores, using print ads, through online standardization, asking friends. Option C is right answer. Why quality product important in e-commerce? For high price, to reduce returns, for decorations, to show off. Option B, to reduce returns is right answer. What does e-commerce depend on heavily? Fossil fuel, transportation, ICT, mining. Option C, ICT is right answer. What allow consumers to research and buy via mobile? Option B, m-commerce is right answer. Which of these support digital publishing? Option C, online libraries is right answer. Which of the following is true for e-commerce in Nepal? Well regulated by law, no online platforms, strategy exists but law are weak, government bans on online ads. यिनीहरु मध्येको option C चाहिँ right answer हो. Strategy exists but law are weak. What supports supplier integration? Option A, social media. Option B, TV ads. Option C, electronic data exchange. Option D, manual forms. Option C, electronics data interchange is right answer. What is the common features of online payment? Option A, check. Option B, paper receipt. Option C, e-wallets in online banking. Option D, postal order. Option C, e-wallets in online banking is right answer. What enables faster online services? Fax, speed post, internet and automation, courier. Option C, internet and automation is right answer. What allow consumer interaction with the government online? Option C, C2A. What is the key limitation of e-commerce? Option A, low cost. Option B, 24/7 availability. Option C, loss of cultural identity. Option D, fast delivery. Option C is right answer. What is the core benefit of e-commerce for businesses? Local reach only, physically presence, global market access, fewer consumer. Option C, global market access is the advantage of e-commerce for business organizations. What is the features of digital advertising? Option C, pop-up ads and retargeting is right answer. Which government step is needed for e-commerce in Nepal? Option C, draft purpose law. What does the government of Nepal aim to regulate via its strategy? Option C, online ads and consumer rights. The dimensions of e-commerce that enables commerce across national boundaries is called global reach. Option B, global reach is right answer. Which of the following describes e-commerce? Doing business electronically, doing businesses, sales of goods, all of the above. Option A is right answer. यदि हामीले कुनै पनि इलेक्ट्रोनिक्स डिभाइसको युज गरेर चाहिँ बिजनेस गरिन्छ भने त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले के भनिन्छ? ई-कमर्स भनेर भनिन्छ. Which of the following is not one of the major type of e-commerce? Option A, C2D. Option B, B2C. Option C, B2B. Option D, C2C. Option A, C2D is right answer. Which of the following is part of four main type of e-commerce? B2B, B2C, C2B, all of the above. All of the above is right answer. Which of the following is not considered to be one of the three phases of e-commerce? Option C, preservation is right answer. MCQ सिरिज अन्तर्गतको रिसेन्ट टेक्नोलोजीको हाम्रो चाहिँ यो ई-कमर्सको भिडियो हैन। ई-कमर्सको पार्ट 2 लाई चाहिँ मैले यही क्वेसनबाट एन्ड गर्न चाहे। नेक्स्ट भिडियो जति पनि क्वेसनहरु छ हैन त्यो चाहिँ तपाईले पार्ट 3 अन्तर्गतको नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा पाउनुहुनेछ। ओके, थ्यांक्स फर वाचिङ।